Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to resolve the Spring Batch error. So currently I am doing Spring Batch exercises in this process. I am based this error. So if I record this video, it will be helpful for others as well, right? So college it by. So it is saying file not found exception. This is some file name.csv. Like I am converting DB records to CSV file. So comma separated value, right? CSV stands for comma separated value. So this is the reason. The this is the reason the process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. See, let's understand the error. So caused by java.io.file not found exception. So it give like file path and .csv. The process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. So first I will show the problem when I am getting this problem and I will show how to resolve it. It is a very simple error, easy way to we can resolve it. So this is the starter class, right? First let's go to the batch config. So this is the batch config. So this is for the item reader. This is the writer step. This is the job. So here in step we need to pass the chunk. Here we need to pass input and output. So this is the input and this is output and this is chunk and and chunk. Chunk nothing but at a time how many records can we process, like can we write. Individual records will be read process but we need to writing, like suppose db to file at a time how many records can write. Single record will be read, single record will be processed, but how many records will write. This is the chunk size. At that time I'm saying 1,000 records you can write. So coming to, let's start this application. Once this, let's run the application. Run as Spring Boot app. It will be write to this file. So see, job started. So we will also get job ended. If you are doing post time, then if if you are doing post time, then this file will not be appear. We need to right click, refresh option will be there. This is the refresh we need to do. Then this file will be appear. Before ended, the job started, right? Ended. If you will open this, you will get some error. Remember, you will get some error. That is also I will show before job. This is the before job, after job. So job ended, right? Job ended. So let's open. So these are the records, right? Uh, So I'm open this file. So let's clean the console. Let's rerun. So run as Spring Boot app. See, this time we will get error because see we are getting, this time we are getting error, file not found exception. Reason, the process cannot access the file because used by it is being used by another process. That means I am using, it is already in open, right? That's why it is giving error. So while you are using Spring Batch, you are doing some practicals and Spring Batch, you are converting DB records to Excel. So don't open this, close it. So I will rerun. If you are open, after that you open, you see in the how data will be. So you are stored, how each row, how each column is stored. Then you can close if you want to rerun. without closing, if you rerun, then you will paste that error file used in another process like that. So see, this time you will not get any error. So let's wait some time. After that, before completing the job or job ended, I will open. Then we will check which kind of error will throw. It will be same file not found, or it will be another. So let's wait some time. So job is started. Let's wait until job will ended. Until job will ended. See, job will be ended, right? So this time no error. Job will be B for job after job, right? Now I will again rerun, and before completing, before job end, I will disturb that file. Run a string batch. So I will disturb. This started right before job. Now I will disturb this file. I am trying to open this file. Is locked for editing. So let's see we are facing any issue. See, IO exception. Process cannot access the file because another process has locked a portion of the file. So you will get this kind of errors. Before completed job, if you will open this error, otherwise another error you will get. IO exception. Before you will open, before completing the job, you will open, you will get IO exception. You will, before starting the job, you will open, then you will get file not found file not found exception. In this video, we have successfully understand how to resolve the Spring Batch error caused by java.io.file not found exception, file not filename.csv. The process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. These are the issues. Which kind of issues I am faced in Spring Batch. I am making videos. Then I will record actual Spring Batch videos. So Spring Batch tutorials, like I will take different use cases and I will explain one by one. I will develop like item reader, processor, writer, step, job in processor, some business logic, some validation, everything I can do. Thank you for watching.